this is Liquid Ocelot guys, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make cryptocurrency using surveys by doing surveys. So the app name is Real Researcher. I have already installed it. The link to the app is given in the description of this video. You can check it out, guys. So I'll go to Real Researcher application, available on Google Play Store. Blockchain based surveys. So my friends, what you are going to see over here, my friends, is that surveys will appear and they will pay you in TNC cryptocurrency coin. So you can convert it later to any coin you want. And in order to receive your TNC coins, you need to install Hotbit wallet on your Android application. But please, if you have any other better wallet in mind, you please share it with me, my friends, because TNC is not available on Binance and I don't like Hotbit wallet at all, my friends. So as you can see on the screen, there is a survey for 40 TNC. I have already participated in it, and I can go to view all, and all the surveys will be appearing over here. So I'm going to not participate it because I have already participated. You see all of the surveys, I have already participated in them. And you can see survey on Warner Brothers releasing a lot of the Coin Hub survey on Quark chain, survey on Sony and Honda. So all of these surveys I have done, completed and participated. And now I will go and check my wallet and my wallet balance, my friends, how much money I have earned. So I have got $0.3456 in my wallet, and I can transfer this money to transfer this money directly to TNC wallet. So I'll try to hit this button, wallet management, and yes, receive TNC. I have got 1080. So I'll click send, and here is the wallet address and the amount. So I'll put 100%, and the final memo, I'll paste the memo over here as well. So I'll receive the payment. But the wallet that I'm going to be using will be called Hotbit, my friends. So this is how you can earn cryptocurrency, using surveys, doing surveys. The surveys are very easy. You can select any option as you like and just go on and complete the survey. Like you can do it very easy. Even a small child can do it. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell notification for getting more informative videos in the future. Thanks for watching, my friends.